Welcome back to my channel. Toyota has just dropped a bombshell. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Van, and it's rewriting the rules of modern travel. This isn't just another van. It's a rolling sanctuary. Sleek, smart, and made for dreamers who live to explore. Toyota took everything we love about their reliability and fused it with next-level camper innovation. The result? A home on wheels that feels alive. Under the hood, a powerful 2.5-liter hybrid engine that gives you incredible torque, smooth highway cruising, and the range to go anywhere. Pair that with Toyota's EAWD system, and dirt trails, snow, or rain, nothing can stop you. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a van. A minimalist studio vibe, soft LED lighting, convertible lounge-to-bed setup, and a smart kitchen with induction cooktop, fridge, and sink. It's all crafted with Toyota's signature precision. A digital control hub lets you monitor everything: battery, solar input, and water levels, so off-grid living feels effortless. And yes, there's even a compact bathroom with shower, toilet, and sliding panels that keep it stylish and private. Solar panels, eco-materials, and a water filtration system make this van as sustainable as it is comfortable. Modern travelers, your guilt-free adventure machine has arrived. Tech lovers, Toyota's got you covered. A 12-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a 360 camera system for perfect parking every time. And it's built tough, galvanized frame, weatherproof seals, and interior finishes that laugh at mud, sand, and adventure wear. So whether you're chasing sunsets or finding peace in the mountains, the 2026 Toyota Camper Van is your ticket to freedom, to live anywhere and take home with you. And now it's your turn. What's your favorite feature in this all-new Toyota camper? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more stunning camper van reveals and automotive adventures. Because here, every road leads to a new story.